Well, hey everybody, it's Hippie H&H Racing, Bad Back and Knees Club on YouTube. Um, this is where we have ended up. Front end is rebuilt. Works perfectly. This aftermarket repo front brake drum assembly, we had to go in and mill this out a little bit. The brake boss, it just simply didn't fit. It wouldn't go in the slot, and anyway, we were able to get that milled out and fixed. Everything fit up. What's really, I don't know, one of the things I find interesting about all this is that the forks have been wore out so long that somebody had went and actually cut an additional spacer for the brake side to shim the wheel in kind of some kind of manner and tighten it up, which is probably what wore it even more and faster and harder, but was able to take that full 3/8 slug out and everything line up, fit up perfect. I mean, it's amazing that this 50-year-old motorcycle, this 50-year-old Honda Trail 70, CT70, this Honda Monkey, whatever we want to call it, it's just amazing that we have recreated exactly what this thing felt like in 1970. I am so happy with the way this front end job turned out. And then you can see this is customer's styling. Kind of dig, again, I dig what he's doing. Gangster white walls, little ape hangers, double, straight up double the displacement. That is a Piranha 140 that is in this machine. It's going to be something else. Our next project, give you something to look forward to, is we are going to mount carburetor and intake and get the fuel tank in it. I have to do that first because of the positioning of the CDI box and the way the new electronic ignition is going to shake out. I've got to put the tank in it first before I can mount the CDI box. So that's the order we're going to go in. So next project, carb, intake, fuel tank. Fuel tank's laying right there by my cocktail. And after that, then we're going to go straight into wiring. We've got the ignition switch already in the hole. And we've got our magneto and charging system pickup rolling out. And we'll get the CDI and trigger box mounted and get this thing wired as our next project after we get done with the carb and intake. Man, I hope you're enjoying seeing this thing come along, and I look forward to sharing it with you as we go. Hippie out. I'm going in the house and snuggle my sweet wife. Yes, Hannah, I'm coming inside.